All right, June 2nd, Tuesday. You see by our brush pile here, we were busy, me, Jake, and Kron, working hard after work. This pretty much looks the same, everything in here, except for the brush pile, and you'll see why. So, first thing, Brian across the street informed me, you can see the gravel here, that this whole thing was gravel at one point. So the road, all this parking lot here going up around the tank was gravel, and then over here. So I'm gonna dig a couple more test holes, but it looks like we might have a little more gravel to uncover, and then we just top it with more gravel. So today's Tuesday, might even get a couple loads of stone later on in the week this week to start getting the road in here. What we're finding is the road is a little more over to the left right now, but it would be road facing the right side, closer to the ditch. We'll strip a little bit of this off here, and then we'll, the road's going to kind of be, kind of right here. And then 12 feet over. Gotta be careful though, because there's a ditch here I just got stuck in with the backhoe, and I want to make sure I'm far enough away from that. So I'm trying to start driving more on this side right here to kind of knock down some of this brush. Originally when we drove up, we were coming up more over here, and you can see the difference in these ruts, right? This is where there's a gravel base. This is where there's not. You're just kind of falling off the road. So we're trying to stay over on this. It's higher. So a little more work to do. Peel back a little bit of this brush, not too much. You can see straight ahead, we cleared all the brush by the road. And when you get up there, you can see there's, this is where I got stuck just now. So I was trying to push stuff in there. I cleared some stumps out, but then I kind of got stuck. So even earlier today, the brush was to here. It was, remember, we would pull in and then we'd pull into this grass part right here. So from here over is new, and the road is right where those two tire tracks are from the backhoe. And there's a gravel bed, so it's basically a straight shot. About 4 inches of gravel, about 2 inches below the topsoil. So we're almost there. I might just go over this because it's a pretty solid, you can tell there's like a hump, like a crown right here where the gravel is. So right here you're starting to get into kind of garbage ditch type territory, so I'll probably end up digging this ditch out better at some point, cleaning this out. You can see as soon as we get to the road, gravel. Gravel over here. So the plan will be to get a couple of loads of stone in here, have them just dump it right on the existing gravel, continue to park over here, and then we'll start putting a road in. My neighbors were kind enough to let me park in their driveway here, Ryan and Lynn. About it.